Eliminex here, trying to get this raccoon to leave. He got into my skunk trap. He's a little feisty one. I don't know why he's not leaving. Come on. He got into my squirrel trap. You gonna go? Come on. I'll pull this back a little bit. There we go. He wants to make this his home. Come on. This is not your home. Go back into the woods. See if I can drag the trap out a little bit. Got the trap door open. You're halfway out. Why don't you want to leave? Okay, let's see if I get this. He wants to go back in. All right, go. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. What you doing in my trap? That's for the skunk. See if I pick up a little snow on it. I might not like the snow. It's snowing out. It's snowing out. Okay, come on, you're out. There he goes. Yeah, you gotta be careful with these guys. Gotta be careful with these guys. He's gonna find himself a tree to go back. I released him right in the area that I picked him up, so he's already familiar. He has a home here already. I caught them about 3 days ago. I don't know if that's the same one, but in the meantime I was catching the skunks anyway, so I didn't have to take away the raccoon. I'm gonna clean this trap up and reset it.